enhance patient care, improve medication adherence, and create a new revenue stream for your practice. Introducing the in-office physician dispensing program from AdvancedRx, designed to be powerful, seamless, and incredibly easy to implement. We set you up for success from day one. Your clinic receives a complete turnkey solution. If required, we can help you acquire a dedicated laptop, printer, barcode scanner, and a locking medication cabinet. Plus, at no extra charge, we provide you with prescription bags, print toner, dispensing labels, and medication organizer bins to keep you compliant and efficient. You're never alone. What truly sets us apart is our support. From day one, you'll have a dedicated specialist, a real person partnering with your clinic every step of the way. We're there to personally guide you before your first dispense, and will continue to be your partner for live, friendly, and consistent support long after. And for quick reference, we'll equip your team with step-by-step guidance materials to keep right on hand. The intuitive MDScripts software makes dispensing as simple as 1, 2, 3. Log in, select your patient, or add a new one in seconds. Scan the medication barcode with the scan gun or manually enter it, and the information populates instantly. Add SIG, ICD-10 code, click Print Pharmacy Label, and the prescription label prints automatically. Beyond dispensing, you can easily view patient history, monitor your medication inventory at a glance, and receive new orders seamlessly right through the platform. We know the biggest hesitation with in-house dispensing is interrupting your workflow. That's why we designed a system to eliminate that problem. With READ-ONLY EMR integration, patients automatically load into the system before they arrive. So, when a busy clinic moment comes and a patient needs a med, you simply search and type patient's last name. All existing information will auto-populate and click to dispense. No manual entry, no interruption. From complete implementation to your first dispense, AdvancedRx is your partner in providing better patient outcomes and improving practice efficiency. Ready to get started? Contact us today to schedule your free consultation of how our pharmacy programs, including both in-office dispensing and mail order, can optimize your patient care.